This is your Weather Extreme video for Saturday, February the 7th. I'm meteorologist Brian Peters with the First Alert Storm Team at ABC 3340. And before I forget it, let's look at the schedule for the upcoming Storm Team Tour. We'll be live this week at Tuesday, February the 10th at Winfield, and on Thursday, February the 12th at Reform. So be sure to come out. If we're close to you, come out and give us a shout. Say hello. Skies are clear across central Alabama, maybe a few wispy cirrus clouds, but other than that, a beautiful morning, and that's a beautiful shot over the Tennessee River at Decatur. Down at Tuscaloosa, not quite looking as sunny, but it is clear just as well. Surface high pressure is elongated across the Gulf Coast, and that will be keeping us in beautiful weather for the start of this weekend. Looks like the weather stays pretty good even to Sunday, but we do see clouds starting to increase. We're under basically ridging, but this pattern is about to undergo a fairly major change that's going to bring some cold weather once again to the eastern half of the country. The cool weather is beginning to move off. As you can see, that the blue areas are below freezing, and so the colder air is moving off to the east. Across central Alabama, we're starting the day out generally in the 20s, mid and upper 20s across central Alabama, but we do expect to see highs climb into the lower and perhaps mid 60s in some locations. QPF, it's going to be kind of hard to get much rain this week. We've got two weather systems that will be moving through, and each one of them will not have much moisture to act with, so we're not looking at a great deal of rain over the next 10 days or so. And the Storm Prediction Center is not outlooking any thunderstorms at all for day one. They do have thunderstorms in day 2 and 3, but nothing severe. All right, here's the 06Z. I can't talk. Here is the 06Z GFS model run. And there's our elongated surface high pressure for today, and that keeping the weather great. In the upper atmosphere, we're seeing the ridging begin to decrease as a fast-moving trough is coming through. A short wave is coming through Iowa, Illinois, and Missouri, and that will be digging in. But the weather stays pretty good, but we do see a little bit of rain possibility with the front that is moving with that system. That system digs in on Monday, so that will bring us another cool shot on Monday as the front moves by. Surface low moves up into the mid-Atlantic states, and we should be mostly cloudy on Monday with small chances of rain in the morning, I think. But we should be ending the rain by noontime or so, and it's going to be one of those days where the temperatures don't change a lot. We're going to start the day out probably in the lower 50s and maybe climb as high as the mid and upper 50s. That trough moves off, and we get under weak ridging on Tuesday, so Tuesday will be a good day. We warm up a little bit as we head into Wednesday, but we're now seeing a really big, strong trough entering the north-central part of the United States, and that will dig in on Thursday. So once again, a large chill down is expected by the end of the week. You can see the 540 line running generally along the Alabama-Tennessee line there. By Friday, we see that there's a well-established long-wave trough position over the eastern third of the country. One short wave is out into the Atlantic, but another couple of short waves are stacked up in the flow, and they will be moving down through the flow. That will give us surface high pressure, and you see the 540 line basically across the northern part of Alabama. That trough stays with us on Saturday, the long wave trough position, as it's reinforced by another good strong short wave coming into the long wave trough position, and so you see the 540 line continuing to stay in central Alabama and actually plunging a little further to the south. And that is Saturday. As we get out into voodoo country, this is Tuesday, and we see that the long wave trough position is still over the eastern third of the country. And once again, another really strong short wave is coming through the Great Lakes area. This one promises some winter mischief over the southeastern United States. Too early to talk about it, other than just to say that, there's possibilities, but nothing too specific can we say. And then when we get out to the end of the period, around the 22nd of February, we see that we're under a bit of a ridge. So the long wave trough position has become less established. and that should allow us to warm up nicely. But we do have a pretty potent shortwave coming out of the Texas Panhandle that could provide potentially a severe weather risk for some place in the southeastern and Ohio River Valley parts of the country. Well, that'll do it for the Weather Xtreme video for this morning. I'll have the next one posted first thing on Sunday morning by 8 a.m. or so. In the meantime, enjoy the day, and don't forget to come out to the First Alert Storm Team's weather tour on Tuesday and Thursday.